Guys, this is a continuation of pile 3. So what happened is that I told you ki like this pile is very childlike, very innocent, very naive, and I also told you like you don't know what to do, what you want out of life. You want to have fun, but you don't know the right direction, which direction to take, because a lot of imbalances are there. So angels are telling you what you desire. Just ask them, just write it, just decide it, and you will get it. Okay, and you have to focus on love means self love. It's not about loving any other person, it's about talking about self love. You have to see love within yourself. Listen, see, this rest and rejuvenation card is there, this hermit card, this aloneness card, experience card. See, this aloneness card is there. It talks about you have to be in a hermit mode. You, though you're very wise, you have to be in a meditative state, and you have to receive more messages from the universe, what they are telling. Then you will be able to understand that what you should do, what your soul wants to. This pile of very free spirit, I'm getting a very free spirit, a very lively kind of pile. That is the reason I'm sharing this. Maybe the very young people have chosen this pile, like 25, 26, 22, or less than 30. Though they are very wise, they know, they are very smart, but they are very naive energy, very naive energy. At the same point of time, very very good energy, a fresh air. You need to breathe. Again, you need to breathe, go out and ground yourself. Giving and receiving, yes, you have to give and you have to receive. There is a lack of instability. Temperance card is in reverse. It talks about imbalance. So there has to be a balance in everything, whatever it is. There has to be a balance. When there will be an imbalance in relationship or anything, it's going to be like, you'll not feel good. It will be toxic. Everything has to be there has to be a balance in everything. So rest and rejuvenate, breathe, go out and have fun, and of course leave the moment, from this moment to moment card. I'm sure you are, but still you have to be grateful whatever you have, whatever you are receiving, whatever you have in your life. Acknowledge those things and listen. Of course, you need to meditate, you need to be calm and quiet, and listen to the angels message, what they are telling you. And you have to focus on self love. Lot of imbalances are there, so you have to focus on self love, of course. Okay, and you want to go out and have fun, there is nothing bad in it, of course, but somebody is stopping you. I can see you want to go out and have fun with your friends, but somebody is stopping you. Or it can be something like that you are in a kind of relationship that is one sided, that is unrequited love, and you are in a third party. So you have to focus on your self love. Okay, you have to focus on your self love, and you don't have to focus on those, on that people that you're interested in. It's okay that you like that person, you love that person, but there is imbalance, there is not enough give and take, proper give and take. So you have to stop giving that person, you have to focus on self love. And oh, okay, another thing is that from this card I am feeling, and this Two of Swords feeling, maybe you have two options and you are the one who is putting other person in third party. Maybe you are in two, you have two options. You are doubting which to take, which one to take, which person I need to choose, who is best for me. You're indecisive, or you don't know, or you are making that person your third party. You're not telling that person or both of the person that you have two options, and you are juggling, and you are making both the person in a come into a triangle situation, third party situation. So don't do that. If you're doing that, if you're doing this, I'm sure you are not, but if few of the only 2% people, it can be like you're juggling. I'm not saying you're bad people or you're nasty, it's something not like that. Sometimes it happens, we do have many options and we do choose which is best for us, and we have got the right. But you shouldn't make other people wait for a long time and making them feel that yes, you like that person, but you're not giving them enough time, or you are also focusing some other person, that's not a right thing. If you don't like that person, you can tell that person. Or if you like that person but you are like in double minds that whether this person is right for me, and clearly tell that person that I need some time and all those things. Be clear whatever you want. That is the reason angels are telling you what you desire, want what you desire out of a person, out of your life, out of your career. What you desire, what you want, angel will give you that thing. Angel will help you to align with that kind of energy, so that you can attract those kind of people, or that kind of career for yourself. Okay, so that's all for you guys. I hope this pile 3 resonates with you. It's not a very heavy energy. I'm very happy with this pile, and from the initially only in the starting, I felt that this pile is not that having a very heavy energy like pile 1 and pile 2, but it's a very wonderful pile. Hope you okay. Bottom of the deck on this pile is that see play. Very playful energy. That is the reason initially when I started this pile, I was very laughing. I was in a very happy mood because this pile is very joke, very childlike, very happy. Okay, okay. So please let me comment. Please comment in the comment box that if it resonates with you or not. And remember, it's a general reading. Not everything is going to resonate with you. Take what it resonates and leave the rest. Okay. Bye bye. Take care.